What's up, guys? I'm super excited to finally announce the launch of my course, 5-Hour SEO, which is designed to help you scale your e-commerce brand with less than 5 hours of work per month. Who am I? Why should you trust me? My name is Cromwell. I'm the founder of Newsies, an SEO agency that currently does over $50,000 a month in revenue. We work with 20 plus brands now in every single D2C niche imaginable: fitness, beauty, makeup, skincare, shapewear, leather bags, leather jackets, consumable goods like seafood, candy, uh, cookies, a bakery. We also work with puzzles and about 10 other different niches. All right. I'm also the SEO coach at Daily Mentor, a community of 150 D2C brands, all based all around the world, all doing over $1 million a year in revenue. And the team leading it, including myself, has been described as the Avengers of e-commerce, right? There's literally founder I work with here, Famiz of Oda. They had created the Avengers of e-commerce. Okay. I am on the Avengers of e-commerce. I am the SEO Avenger. All right. I've also been featured on Hotjar, the #1 website heat map and behavior analytics tool in the world. Featured commentary there. Also featured commentary on Stacked Marketer, a daily newsletter read by over 60,000 marketers across the globe. I've also been featured on the Charles Float podcast, probably the #1 most watched SEO podcast in the world on YouTube. Okay. Now, in this course, these are the exact same results I've gotten for brands with the exact same process that you will have access to in my course. Okay. Example 1, helped a women's handbag brand scale their organic search revenue from $12K a month to $74K a month in 10 months. Okay. June of 23, just shy of $12K. March of 24, $74K. This brand actually did $94,000 a month in May. So this number is actually higher. Okay. Full case studies here on my YouTube. Example number 2, helped a holistic health brand increase their organic search revenue from $43K a month to $72K a month in 10 months. Screenshots here from GA4, plus the full case study on YouTube. Again, exact same systems and processes I will teach in this course. Example 3, this was a really fun one. Blitzscale, a dropshipping brand. Their organic search revenue went from $3K a month to $216K a month in just over 2 months. This case study is out of this world, quite honestly. You can see $3.5K a month in October, all the way up to $215K in December. This was a whirlwind one. Full case study breakdown on my YouTube. Right now, these are what my agency and I have agency and coaching clients, and these are what they have to say about what I do and the systems we use. If you were here, I'd give you the best high five, but you're not. Great work. This is great. Great walkthrough, reports, etc. Truly shocked me with your work ethic and organization. Very happy with the decision I made going with you on this one. Results speak for themselves. Let's go. Amazing work. It's not too often I come across people with your combo of work ethic, follow through, and focus on delivering value. Yeah, it's crazy. Hope the keyword keeps going. You've been doing great work. Definitely have a client for life. Client for life. Okay. Another one down here, a little tough to zoom in. Cranking through these epic stuff, talking about all the links we're building for him. All right. Now, who is this course for? Right? It is definitely not for everyone. This is for e-com brands that are fed up with rising paid ads costs and margins that are shrinking every day as a result of it. Also, serial dropshippers and brand builders that launch multiple brands per year and want to build their own SEO team. I have literally given out this course to serial dropshippers, and they have launched 12 brands in a year using this framework, and it works for them every single time. Also, SEO freelancers and agencies that want to level up their service delivery, get better results for clients so they can sign more clients and make more money. All right. Maybe you're into local SEO, you want to switch to e-com. This is the course to do it. All right. Now, more results from brands using the exact same systems and processes in this course. All right. Growth here from just about 27K to 36,000 searches a month, all growing, all through these core updates that were just crushing brands left and right in early March. These are still growing for our clients and the coaching clients that use this course and these systems. Okay. Another one here, growing from October of 23, just shy of 9K, all the way up to at its peak, nearly 18K. So essentially doubling. This brand is actually much higher than 18 now. Okay. Again, October 23, just about 13K, up into the 26K visits a month. All right. Again, all these are happening through the March updates, which I know brands that literally had their SEO demolished, and the systems we're using are bulletproof against these updates. All right. So when you buy the course, what do you get? What the hell are you paying for? Okay. First off, 7 modules. Introduction SEO, probably the most boring module of the course. If you already know SEO, probably just skip through this one, but it sets the tone for how it works, why it matters, and how it's going to catapult the next 6 months of your company's growth. Like I said, if you don't know anything, you should watch this first because it's going to set the foundation for the next 6 modules, plus all the bonuses and coaching you're going to get along the way. Okay. If you already know SEO, maybe local SEO, B2B, whatever, it'll give you deeper insights into e-commerce and more specifically the methods I use to make so much money for brands that they literally ask me to pay more, right? This coaching client I have literally asked me if he can sell me something on top of last month. Okay. This is the value you're getting in this course. Module 2, technical SEO fundamentals. Look, I barely know how to code, but I had our world-class agency developer record breakdowns for exactly which lines of code to change and how to change them to make sure your site is crawlable for search engines. You're also going to get a technical SEO guide to Shopify, plus a checklist on how to implement and do everything. All right. The simplest technical SEO breakdown in the world. You don't even need to know how to code. Promise. Module 3. This is where we find winning keywords for your product pages and your category pages, ones that are low in competition but high enough in search volume where you're still going to generate a lot of revenue through them. We'll walk you through the entire keyword research process that I use and give you the templates we use at my agency to track keywords and how we build on top of them. After that, we're going to move into the middle and top of funnel, identifying keywords that are going to help you build topical authority in your niche and dominate Google search results for literally every single keyword you could possibly imagine that is related to your niche. Okay. On module 4, let's back up. Before you get to module 4, you actually get to book a one-on-one call with me, and I will review your keyword research with you, both the bottom of funnel, middle of funnel, and top funnel, and help you plan out the next 6 months of content. Okay. I'm going to evaluate keyword research, the strategy. You can ask any other questions you want. You won't speak with an account manager, any of my junior SEOs. You speak with me directly. Okay. This call is included in the course, no other expense. Now, after that, after our one-on-one call, you move on to module 4, which is content creation and optimization. I will show you the exact process that myself and my head of content have spent the last 12 months perfecting at my agency. Okay. It's taken us 12 months to get it to as good as it is now, and I am finally essentially unleashing it to you guys. I will give you access to the tools you need, the AI tools specifically, the templates we use, and 2 custom GPTs that will turn average AI content into human-written, money-making content. So rather than going to pay a freelancer like $200 to write an article that they're probably going to take a week at least to deliver, you can use your OpenAI credits to produce it for less than 10 cents. And once you or your VA watches the module and implements the GPTs, you can edit these posts in under 30 minutes and they'll be on page 1. Module 5, link building. Backlink building is one of the hardest parts of SEO, so I will eliminate the hard part. Okay, it's going to be so easy. You'll never think it's this hard. Okay. Now, I will personally introduce you to one of my link building teams, giving you access to the best links on the internet for a fraction of the cost and a team that will build every single link for you. Okay. For years, I have built a cold outreach team and I'm literally passing them off to you. Okay. This is the value you're getting in the course. You will not find this anywhere. Honestly, like outside of the value I'm giving away in the course, this is probably the biggest value add. Okay. When I finally cracked the code on this team, like my agency exploded. Okay. I don't introduce this link building team to any of my agency friends or even my own clients. Okay. This exists purely within the course. I will also, outside of backlink building, I will show you how to structure internal links to maximize your results. And these 2 forms of link building on top of the content we're going to rip out is going to launch your site into hyperspeed growth. Okay. Module 6, SEO analytics and performance tracking. I'll walk you through the Google Analytics and Search Console setup if you don't already have that, and show you how to interpret the results of your SEO efforts. Even better, I'll show you how to use old data to inform your future and further scale your results that you've already gotten up until this point. Module 7, and finally last one here, SEO maintenance and future trends. Okay. SEO maintenance and future trends, it is 1 hour of time per month. Okay. It is very minimal. Okay. An hour. You will not just be maintaining your SEO results, but continuing to grow month over month. And as you grow, continuing to reduce your reliance on paid ads so you can funnel even more money into profits, hiring, whatever else. Okay. No longer paid ads. After that, these are the more results. Actually, more results that brands are going to get with this exact SEO system. Okay. 40 days into working with a new brand and them implementing my internal linking structure, they moved 123 money keywords into the #1 spot on Google. Over 100 money driving keywords on their product and category pages got into the 1 spot in just over a month, literally reading through just the internal linking module. Okay. That was one module. Imagine what the rest of the course yielded them. Skincare brand, also internal linking and content based. 2 modules that are in here, the exact same process. They went from 0 to 10,000 monthly organic visitors in 10 months. Didn't even build a backlink, just wrote content. Okay. Accessories brand, 12K a month to 30K a month in 5 months. And now in 2024, they're at 50K a month, just 3 to 4 months after that. Again, this is for them, it was content, internal links, and a little bit of backlink building. Okay. Last one here, took a cookie company to their highest organic revenue and traffic month ever, literally in under 6 months. Okay. More content, more internal links, more link building. Okay. This is the value you're getting in the course. I also put in a ton of bonuses. All right. Software review. SEMrush and Ahrefs are way too expensive for the average person. It's like, and I don't mean that like, if you're not like running an agency, you don't need to pay for those tools. They're like $250 a month. It is dumb to use those tools, especially if you're trying to save money. There are other tools out there that will do the same thing, free or like under $30 a month. I will introduce you to them and give my honest opinion and even walk through how those tools work. A Loom audit. When you register for the course, I will give you a 5 to 10 minute review of your site when you register, and I'll give you further insights into how you can immediately improve your SEO. I will click through the site, look at SEMrush, things like that, and I will show you exactly what I'm looking at right now in real time. You can get insight into what I'm seeing, and also I'll give you things that probably are very specific to your brand that the more general part of the course won't cover. Okay, so this is even more value. Community. The course is hosted on School, so you're getting lifetime access to the School community where you can connect with other brand owners, ask me questions at any time. You can set up link exchanges. You can ask questions about content, your rankings, competitors, all those things. I will answer the questions. On top of that, monthly Q&As. I will host probably at least 1 to 2 monthly Q&As per month where you can ask questions about your brand specifically, maybe your competitor, or maybe general strategy. Like if you're a serial dropshipper and you want to like pump out 6 brands in the next 6 months, I will help you answer those questions so you can do that effectively, even if the brands don't yet exist. SOP videos, okay? This course is going to show you how to do SEO or like teach you how to do SEO, but that is not enough, okay? You need to learn where to go and how to get there quickly. So I'm going to give you the literal SOPs we use in my agency to train new employees and VAs in certain cases on specific topics and specific tasks, okay? So this is like, you'll learn it and you'll master it. Then you'll have the SOP and it'll be ridiculously simple. Okay. Custom GPTs, I have several. I think there's 5. Product page optimization, category page optimization, competitor gap analysis for blog content. What else we got? Structure analysis, all that good stuff. Okay. These GPTs will accelerate your content process, the speed by 10x, and probably quadruple your content quality immediately. Okay. Templates, I'm going to give you the exact templates we use in my agency. Content calendar, AI generation setup, content style guide, blog post structure, all that good stuff. Okay? And the cost for all of this, $297 for lifetime access. It is the lowest it'll ever be. I will be raising it probably within a few weeks. You get everything I've just covered, modules, coaching calls, SOPs, agency templates, and so much more. Quick look before you finish this video. This is what the course looks like. Okay. This is all hosted in School, like I mentioned. All right. You get access to all these modules, all of these recommendations, all that good stuff. Okay. And last but not least, a couple FAQs. Why is it called 5-hour SEO? There are 6 hours of content in the course itself. Obviously, that's greater than 5. However, after you get through that, you or your employees' monthly input on SEO will be an estimated 5 hours a month. That's it. 5 hours a month to potentially like change your brand's future. Do you need to be an SEO expert for this? Absolutely not. This course is designed for beginners and intermediate SEOs with plenty of actionable learning material for both. And I guarantee you, if you're an advanced e-com SEO, there's probably something in here you didn't know yet. I ran this past a few of my agency friends, and they said there were quite a few nuggets in there that they didn't even know existed. So it's tried and true for literally every level of SEO. Is this course suitable for my niche? Yes. I just showed you I work with 20 different brands, 20 and more different brands in every niche imaginable. I guarantee you that it'll work for your site. It is specifically designed for e-commerce brands. It is not designed for local SEO. It is not designed for B2B. However, there are applications in there, but truly it's aimed at e-commerce brands. Now, any specific questions, shoot me an email personally, kai@newseas.co, and I will get back to you on any questions about the course itself. All right. Link to buy is in the description. Peace.